I'm Jay Johnson, founder of WindowPurchase.com, which is an interactive website to help people learn more about Windows. Also, the last book that I had published, What Window Companies Don't Want You to Know, that's getting a complete makeover this year with a whole new front cover. Don't know what it's going to look like yet. And it will also be featured at the 2020 Book Fair Festival in Tucson, Arizona, mid-March. Anyway, subject of the day, winter installations for those of us that actually get a winter. Because like winter in Phoenix ain't winter, if you know what I mean. So here's where I'm going with this. First of all, you want to make sure the company's using better insulating caulks and foams. And you want to make sure they're using them for the right temperature regions. And the other thing is, typically if it's 20 and above, as long as they're using the right materials, and those materials are pliable, meaning room temperature, when they come out to apply those things, the stuff that's rated for it, you're fine. It's not a product thing. It's not like you can't put a window in 20-degree weather because the window can't hack it. After you put the window in, it's got to deal with extreme temperatures anyway. Now in Chicagoland, you get about 125-degree temperature swings year-round. This year alone, I've seen 102 for the high, and unfortunately, I've seen 25 below zero for the low. Think triple pain on that, by the way. Anyway, here's where I'm going with this. Last I checked, summer, spring, and fall are seasons. They're not temperatures. But as soon as you say winter install to somebody, they think temperature instead of season. Depending on where you live, there can be plenty of nice days in the winter to do installs. And the advantage to the customer for that is a couple things. One, let's walk through it. If it's in the summer and they're going to install, and let's just say it's a crew that actually knows what they're doing, and they take one window out at a time and they put a window in. They take one window out, they put one window in. You're only talking about losing some air conditioning if it's really hot out, but you could have bees, wasps, flies, hornets, and mosquitoes flying in and out of that opening until the new window goes in. And from an installer's point of view, you might think it's nice when it's 90 degrees out, but you push in 90 to 100 degrees with the high humidity and heat index, installers don't really favor that, and a lot of installers get stung every year from bees and wasp nests that go right up around the gables or the soffits of your home. Now let's take a 20, 25, 30 degree day with a nice weather system. No bugs. Nothing flying in and out of that opening while they're installing. And if you're outside working in those temperatures, you're not cold because you're working. You're not just sitting down in the shade. So there's a lot of advantages to colder weather installs from a customer's perspective. And again, if the guys know what they're doing, or girls, because there's a lot of females that know how to install windows too, they're going to close bedroom doors to keep the heat loss or the air conditioning loss contained to that room, and they're going to get that opening closed up as quick as possible. So quit being so afraid of winter installations. Nobody's coming out when it's 0 degrees to put windows in your house unless they're a complete moron. Anyway, that's my tip of the day. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and look for more videos in the future. And again, 2020, my new book will be out, What Window Companies Don't Want You to Know, with the subtitle, New Interactive Paperback and Website Edition. Thank you so much.